Sikorsky CH-53E Super Stallion. The Sikorsky CH-53E Super Stallion is a heavy-lift helicopter operated by the United States military. As the Sikorsky S-80, it was developed from the CH-53 Sea Stallion, mainly by adding a third engine, adding a seventh blade to the main rotor, and canting the tail rotor 20 degrees. It was built by Sikorsky Aircraft for the United States Marine Corps. The less common MH-53E Sea Dragon fills the United States Navy's need for long-range minesweeping or airborne mine countermeasures (AMCM) missions, and perform heavy lift duties for the Navy. In 1974, the initial CH-53E first flew. Changes on the CH-53E also include a stronger transmission and a fuselage stretched 6 feet 2 inches, 1.88 m. The main rotor blades were changed to a titaniumfiberglass composite. The tail configuration was also changed. The low-mounted symmetrical horizontal tail was replaced by a larger vertical tail, and the tail rotor tilted from the vertical to provide some lift in hover, while counteracting the main rotor torque. The digital flight control system prevented the pilot from overstressing the aircraft. CH-53E testing showed that it could lift 17.8 tons to a 50-foot, 15 m wheel height, and without an external load, could reach 170 knots, 310 kilometers per hour, at a 56,000-pound gross weight. This led to 2 pre-production aircraft and a static test article being ordered. The initial production contract was awarded in 1978, and service introduction followed in February 1981. The first production CH-53E flew in December 1980. The U.S. Navy acquired the CH-53E in small numbers for shipboard resupply. The Marines and Navy acquired a total of 177. The Navy requested a version of the CH-53E for the Airborne Mine Countermeasures role, designated MH-53E Sea Dragon. It has enlarged sponsons to provide substantially greater fuel storage and endurance. It also retained the in-flight refueling probe, and could be fitted with up to 7 300 US gallon, 1,136-liter, ferry tanks internally. The prototype MH-53E made its first flight on December 23, 1981. MH-53E was used by the Navy beginning in 1986. The MH-53E is capable of in-flight refueling and can be refueled at hover. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Footprints for more videos.